Good evening and welcome back. So in the last phase, which was phase 2, we had completed the front end of our project, the emergency alert and response system. We had implemented the front end of our web interface and of our smartwatch application. And now in this next phase, phase 3, we've completed the back end. We've completed the back-end server and the database implementation. And this is just going to be a quick video for me to demonstrate our working website, which is being hosted right now on a local web server. So let's get right into it. So this here is the landing screen. It's the first screen that all users are going to be welcomed with when they reach our website. And this screen is going to display some basic information about our project along with some information about the features that we offer. Moving on, users can log into their own personal accounts. Let me just log into one of the users we have here. And on login, each user is going to have a personalized dashboard, which is going to be just for them. And inside of this dashboard, we're going to have cards. These cards are going to hold patient information. These cards are going to hold patient information along with the real-time heart rate updates. So each user is going to have a card for themselves, as all users are patients. And they can edit their patient profile from here. So for example, they can change their health conditions, like maybe they just recently came across pneumonia, and perhaps they changed their regular hospital. And they can update their patient information. This is going to display in the view. It's going to update in the database. And they're also going to have cards to display the patient information and the real-time heart rate updates for all of the users that this patient is subscribed to. And of course, if they have heart rate updates and if they change any of their patient information, all of the people who are subscribed to them will also be updated. And as you can see here, this value of the heart rate is changing. It's being constantly updated as we are subscribed to this user. Users can subscribe to patients. So for example, there's one patient we have here we can subscribe to. And this patient has trusted me with their information access key. This can be like a close friend, a family member. And you can even share your information access key with your doctor so they have access to your heart rate and patient information. And if the information access key entered was correct, then all of the patient's information and their real-time heart rate is going to be received by our website. And in the case where there is an emergency, the heart rate has suddenly spiked really high, we're going to highlight that card for that user and bring it up to the front so it's more easily visible, and the person who's on the dashboard can take action. Users can also unsubscribe from other users for whom they don't want to receive updates for anymore, and this is going to remove them from the view. And it's going to also remove them from the view, and it's going to remove them from their list of subscriptions in the database. Aside from this, we also have a help screen, which is some basic instructions to guide any new users on how they can use our application and what the use cases are like. And that's pretty much it for our web interface. My colleague is now going to demonstrate our watch interface. Thank you very much for listening, and please comment your suggestions. Thank you very much.